I'm going to be trying eating strawberries for the very first time. I have tasted strawberry flavored foods, drinks, ice cream, yogurt, and so on and so forth. I've heard a lot of things. A lot of people have said it doesn't taste like what it looks like, because this looks really beautiful. The color combination, the little dots there, the shape is very interesting. It has this heart shape. Hello. I hope I don't get disappointed. I love it. It has this sour kind of taste, sour sweet taste, but the taste is different from strawberry flavored foods I've tasted. It's quite different. This is very natural.